Hello, 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 hello. Let's begin AZ-104 cloud computing introduction. Cloud computing technology are the fastest growing technology in the current era. Many of the major industries of automation have already moved their to the cloud platform, all in the process of moving the on-premise data center to the cloud operations, or you can say to the cloud platform. You must upgrade your skills from the traditional IT support to board the skills to the cloud and the workspace. Otherwise, you will not be able to grow in your career, or even may not be able to survive yourself in the IT sector. Some of the quick facts about the cloud computing technology are cloud, cloud computing provides a modern alternative to the traditional on-premise data center, allows you to lease access to the hardware and software resources that would be too expensive to purchase. Cloud environments typically provide an online portal experience making it easy for users to manage, compute, storage, network, and application resources. Cloud service providers. There are various cloud service providers in the IT industry. However, AWS and Azure are the major market leaders in this field. Few of the major service providers are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, DigitalOcean, etc. Types of cloud. Depending on the types of networks, services, or resources control you have in a cloud platform, there are majorly three types of cloud platform. Okay. In a public cloud, a cloud service provider is completely responsible for hardware purchase and maintenance and typically provides a wide variety of platform services that you can use private. In a private cloud, you create a cloud environment in your own data center and provides self-service access to compute resources to users in your organization. Hybrid. A hybrid cloud integrates both public and private clouds, allowing you to host workloads in the most appropriate location. Cloud offering classes. There are basically three types of cloud-based, and the control and the responsibility of the cloud provider and customers. Just software as a service. Software as a service is software that is centrally hosted and managed for the end customer. It usually is based on a multi-tenant architecture. Example: Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, WordPress, Amazon Kindle. Platform as a service. With platform as a service, you deploy your application into an application hosting environment provided by the cloud service vendor. You, that is a developer. हाँ This platform as a service you deploy your application into an application hosting environment provided by the cloud service vendor. You, that the developer, provides the application to be installed on the platform and service vendor provides the ability to deploy and run. Example, Azure website, Azure cloud services, web and components. Infrastructure as a service and infrastructure as a service cloud. The vendor runs and manages the server farms, running virtualization software, enabling you to create VMs that run the vendor's infrastructure. In infrastructure as a service, you can create a VM running Windows or Linux and install anything you want on it. Example, Azure. Microsoft Azure Introduction. Azure is a Microsoft cloud computing platform which provides you with a wide variety of cloud services. Azure has the second largest cloud computing platform after the AWS cloud. But year-by-year growth of Azure cloud is faster than AWS cloud. You can use Azure cloud services without purchasing and provisioning your own hardware. Azure enables the rapid development of solutions and provides the resources to accomplish tasks that may not be feasible in an on-premise environment. Azure allows you to start with a very low cost and scale rapidly as you gain customers. Getting started with free Azure subscription, you can use Azure Portal to create a virtual network, use cloud services and create VMs, config storage, etc. accounts and so on. So basically two versions of the portal, the Azure Management Portal and the new one, the Azure Portal. Azure Portal has advanced features which is used better look into. Before you cloud log into Azure Portal, you must have an active Azure subscription. We assume that you don't have yet, so let's follow the below instruction and get a new free Azure subscription. You will also get a $200 credit to use of your and learn the various Azure cloud services with limited functionalities for limited period. The $200 credit minimum should be used for 30 days. Signing up for a few Azure subscription. Discuss on the network to Azure subscription gives you a 200 credit that you can use to explore Azure cloud services up to 30 days. If you consume $200 credit before 30 days, you will be asked to upgrade your free trial subscription to paid account. However, many people don't create Azure free subscription because they fear to submit excessive credit card details I think Microsoft may charge if they mistakenly go beyond the even free credit limit. But Microsoft will not charge you until you manually upgrade your subscription from free to the paid account. Here, let's follow us to sign up for the free Microsoft account and let's get started with Azure Cloud Services. It's $200 credit is enough to learn and explore most of the major cloud services. So let's get started. This is the following free sign up link. Getting the Azure subscription. Your HTTP as a word and Microsoft.com. You will have the full flat free. So basically, you get this window, create your free account today. Since I had already created this account, so I'm not going to repeat the steps. You can follow along the steps to do the same. Click Start Free button to proceed. Next, on the sign up page, type the Microsoft account usage with the email ID you want, or you will create a another account if you don't have already. On the next page, you will need to fill out a few information about use and for purpose of using your cloud with all the required information appropriately and proceed to the next page. Here we provide details such as country, first name, last name, email ID, phone number, all right. On the next page, you need to verify your phone number. On the next page, you need to verify identity, setting up the payment, and all of the details. You will not be charged until you exceed your free credit limit. And will not convert your free subscription to the paid account payment. Finally, accept the license agreement and finish the sign process. After completing the sign up process, you will get the credit summary details below like the following. Summary for the free trial. Once you sign up, process complete successfully and your free subscription is created. You can log into your portal and start exploring the Azure services. Plan number two. Getting familiarized with your portal. Azure portal is UI-based console to manage your cloud services. The latter factor also discussed the other Azure cloud management tools such as Azure PowerShell, Azure CLI, Express CLI, etc. The Azure portal remains the most popular as a primary tool to manage Azure cloud services. The various panels, links, sidebar, etc. are shown in the following figure. Recommended spending some time to the on about Azure portal. You can see you can number one that is provision a resource. You can click on create a resource to get the favorite services or apps in the left panel. You can see the favorite panel of the favorite resources. On the dashboard, you can see for the recently accessed resources, there is option to open the cloud shell, or the setting button to set your portal settings, and there are also the free learning tutorials available on the right side of the page. In Azure portal, a new window opens with the configuration steps are called blades. In Azure portal, a new window opens with the configuration steps are called, these are called as blades. You can, okay, so we are going to do MCQs after this book. So remember the key concept. I will go ahead. So you can always close the currently open blade to go back to the previous blade. This whole set of blades is called a journey. Let's have a look at the model figure of the blades of the journey. So basically this is the journey that you see in the top left corner. In blade there are these different windows. Blade 1, blade 2, blade 3. Sometimes you notice that if you made some changes using the Azure portal, Azure cloud services, you may need to refresh the browser to get reflected again. So keep this in mind while working with Azure. And sometimes whatever changes you make will not get automatically reflected. So probably you need to refresh your page to see the changes that you have done. Maybe it's getting reflected on the Azure cloud now. Yeah. Getting started with Azure subscription feature and services allow for you. to deploy depending on the time of the subscription you have. Whether you have a free account or a pay as you go account. Apart from this, you can also add more and more subscription to this account in order to centralize billing of your multiple Azure subscriptions. Here, we are going to explore few basic options to get familiarized with Azure subscription. Just perform the following steps. In Azure portal, click all services, internet page, and then search for the subscription as shown in the following. You see the key icon that is subscription. So when you click on it, the subscription link, you will see your subscription type and ID, as well as the rules added to your user account as shown in the following. So see when you click on the subscription icon, you can see the roles. There are my role, you can see there are seven selected roles. When you see one of the subscription is showing the animation, retry the subscription ID is there and the rule of an account ID. And you will see the various options shown in the following figure. Let's say that particular click on that particular subscription. You can see there are various options available. That is cost analysis, overview, access control using IAM policies, diagnose and solve problems, payment method, partner information, programmatic deployment, many things. We recommend you spend some time into the option to just get familiarized with Left. Creating administrative users for Azure Cloud Management. How you use the sign up has all the administrative rights to manage the Azure service. However, this account should only be used for the centralized billing and manage other needs. It is not recommended to use a default administrative account for daily basis tasks. This is done by using role-based access control. It allows you to grant more permissions to account management and just full access to the system. To give someone access to modify the resources in subscription in the Azure portal, you need to add the owner role for the Azure subscription to the user account. So basically, if you want to give someone access for example, storage resources, virtual machine, computing resources, anything like that, you need to give the owner permission to that particular user subscription account. Here we are going to show you how to create and manage Azure users in group using the Azure Active Directory. Azure it is now known as Azure Infra. Also from Infra. To create a new Azure user, select the Azure Active Directory page and then select the users shown in the following sequence. If you click on other Azure Active Directory, there is an option to choose the user. And the user blade, click the new user to the new user account. On the user blade, specify the user details such as folder name, admin username, our user at the rate one user, AD domain name dot com, Microsoft.com. Directory role, you can specify the global administrator. The following figures shows the user. Once you define the required values, click OK and then click Create to create Azure AD account. Admin user we created with global administrative role, and it will be listed in your AZ and your Azure user list. There are various types of roles for Azure AD account. However, we do not cover detail of them here. You are requested to the following link. This is the one link that you can follow to get the more details about different Azure Active Directory users. That is the link is mentioned like dog.microsoft.com, EN from US, Azure, the Azure Active Directory, assign, admin role, software, listed there with the description. The Azure Directory ID user may select the created user. You will see various user related options such as reset password, delayed user multi-factor authentication with trusted the following. Now sign off under your default user and user and log back in with the user you created to configure. When they ask you to set your password for first time login, once you log in, you can go Azure associated with this admin account. So we're going to take some break or maybe say half an hour, then we will be back and we'll continue from the left onwards. And but before that, before we do start, we are going to start left hand. We are going to perform the practical. So we will create a user using Azure Active Directory. You can say the entry ID in the user. Start.